Hi! This is Jen again, your trusted property advisor. Sasamahan ka ma-achieve ang property goals mo. Kung ikaw ay OFW o locally employed at may pangarap magkaroon ng sariling bahay, makinig ka at para sa inyo ito. Why owning a house is a smart investment? Gaya namin na nakapag-invest na. Na-imagine mo bang magkaroon ng bahay kung saan may comfort, convenience at future value? What if sabihin ko sa iyo na abot kamay mo na ang pangarap mong yan dito sa Cavite? Paano kung maunahan ka at maubusan ka pa? Para sa mga OFW na todo ang kayod abroad at locally employed na nagsusumikap para sa financial stability, renting feels like money down the drain. Buwan-buwan nagbabayad ka para sa renta na hindi naman mapapasa iyo. Pakinggan natin ang isang locally employed na nangangarap na magkaroon ng sariling bahay.
Hello, magandang hapon ma'am. Interviewin ko lang po kayo. Gaano na po kayo katagal sa Cavite?
20 years na po, ma'am.
20 years na po.
Yes,
May sarili ka naman bahay?
Wala pa po, ma'am. Medyo nangarap pa.
Okay po. Bakit hindi pa po kaya kayo nakakakuha ng sariling bahay?
Ay, nangarap ako magkaroon ng bahay. Kaso lang, wala. Natatakot po ako sa monthly na down payment. Lagi po yung down payment.
Okay, salamat po ma'am.
Sana, ang renta ay napupunta na lang sa sarili mong bahay. Habang tumatagal, may ibang nakakasecure ng mga bahay sa prime location gaya ng General Trias Cavite na malapit sa Calax at River Park, kung saan itatayo ang pinakamalaking SM Mall sa South. Imagine owning a house and lot na malapit sa major development that connects Cavite to Metro Manila, kaya tuloy-tuloy ang pagtaas ng value ng properties dito. Andyan ang LRT1, Cavite Extension, Cavitex, Calax, at MCX. That's why Hana at Minami Residences in General Trias ang perfect opportunity. Imagine owning a modern house and lot na katabi lang ang major developments in the city. Hana is a 2-story quadruplex townhouse with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, with a floor area of 54 square meter and lot area of 80 square meter. It has bigger lot areas, perfect for planning future expansions. It also has a provision for 2-car garage. Complete amenities na rin, like clubhouse, big open space, kaya pwedeng mag-bike at mag-barbecue, may school, pure gold, at all home. Hana is located in Arnaldo Highway, 5 minutes away from Calax Open Canal exit. It also has a series of roadworks to Lancaster, Dasmariñas, Tagaytay at Laguna. Owning a property in Cavite is not only for convenience, it's an investment para sa kinabukasan mo at ng iyong pamilya. But wait! Ano ba ang mga reason bakit tayo nag-i-invest at nagpupursue ng magkaroon ng sariling tahanan? Dahil ba para tayo ay may bubong na masisilungan? O matatawag nating ating pinagpaguran? My number 1 reason is stability and security. Owning a home provides a permanent space for your family, offering a sense of stability, freedom, and the uncertainties of renting. Number 2 is financial investment. Instead of paying rent, ang iyong buwanang bayad ay magiging equity sa iyong bahay na magiging mahalagang pangmatagalang asset. Number 3 reason is pride of ownership. A home is more than just a place to live. It's a reflection of your hard work and source of pride. You can personalize and improve it to truly make it your own. Fourth reason is cost control. Unlike renting, which often increases over time, fixed rate mortgage ensures predictable housing costs, helping you to plan better financially. Number 5 reason is a legacy for your family. A home can be passed down to future generation, giving them a head start and solid foundation for the future. And number 6 is peace of mind. Owning a home provides sense of accomplishment and peace, knowing you have a space that truly belongs to you and your family. And lastly, the most exciting part, creative freedom. As a homeowner, you have the freedom to design, renovate, and decorate your home exactly as you envision it. So don't wait any longer, call or message me how. Simple lang ang proseso at flexible ang terms at andyan ako every step of your journey. Bye!